Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can download Skype in your PCs. It's a very easy thing to do, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to have a web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. In this, now after you reach this page, just go and type skype.com and hit enter. So once this page is opened up, click on the download Skype button right there. So you want to set Skype for your desktop, so just go and click on the get Skype for Windows button. So this might take some time. As you can see, you can also download Skype for your mobile phone as well. We will show you how it's done in our next video. So that's the Skype is installing. So now you can see the Skype app on my desktop. So that's how you download Skype on your PC. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.